Hey, welcome everyone to another channel of Enjoy Tech. Or if you're watching from J to the low, today I'm just unboxing Smooth Q Zhiyun I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Smooth Q4 Combo. So combo, there's just more stuff, but other than that, not too much more. So let's unbox it. Maybe I'm a bit too soft. Let's see. All right, let's unbox this. All right, let's see. Seal. Yep, cool. So let's have a look. All right, I think the lights are coming in a bit more. It's summer now. Not good to have all the lightings, I guess. Oh, maybe I'll go turn the other way. All right, that's probably much better. Okay. Oh wow, it's nice. You get a pouch box. All right, let's unbox that. All right, so the combo option obviously comes with the stand itself. I think I bought it for quite a while now, and okay, how do I do it anyway? Okay, there's more cushion there. All right, let's put that aside. And what do I get there? I think it's the tripod thingy. Cool, excellent tripod. And let's see what's the extra will I get. All right, manuals. Wow, cushion on the manuals, good packaging. All right, you get the Prime redemption. Oh wow, redeem before. I don't know what's Prime redemption. All right, I guess I'll redeem later. And I get the hand lanyard. Oop. Put it in here. Yep, the hand lanyard. I thought I'd get much more. What happened to the other option? So you get the multiple lights. Okay, multiple lights. Oh, actually lights with multiple colors, I guess. Alright. Cool, magnet thing. Alright, let's... Oh, I'll put this one back. Alright, so this multiple color-ish lights, because of the plastic thing, you get multiple kind of lights. That's cool. And what do I get here? I think must be the USB cable. Yep, so it's A to C, branded Zhiyun. Got the card, so that's about it. Let's see, is there, how do I, oh okay, all right, okay, how do I power this up? Nope. Okay, this is just like this. Okay, it's locked there. Power on here. Oh. Okay, let's see if that works alright. Does it go further down? It's a bit weird. Is that how you do it? Okay. No idea. Let's put my iPhone 16 Pro Max onto it. It's a bit awkward. Awkward looking. Okay, it's a bit of dirt. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I have to figure this out. It's a bit weird. Oh. Oh, okay. Alright, so I have to twist this part out, so yeah. Alright. Let's see if I turn that off. Okay. Alright, I'll lock it. So there's a lock here. I'm not sure you can see that. There's a clip here. Lock it. And lock it. And in. Okay, and turn it off. Alright, it's off. It's very interesting. So I'll put padding, I guess, in between to protect the gimbal. So alright, interesting. Okay, alright, and I can only assume I put it back as it is, like this. Yep. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. Let me go and register this thingy, premium thing, and have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and put the bell thing, and we'll see you another time. Peace.